tell you how to do the running stitch. And so once you have your threaded needle and also a knot in your thread, it's back here. So you're gonna wanna make sure that your needle is in the middle of the thread. You're gonna take your fabric and you're gonna come from the bottom of your fabric. So this is the top. And you're just gonna go from the bottom and then pull up. Okay? And now that you've gone up, we're gonna go down. So you go up and down and up and down. And then once you're down, you're gonna go up. And that just keeps going for as long as you want. There's another little trick you can do that's called the dolphin. So say I'm on the top. You're gonna go down. Put your needle halfway, like through the thread. Don't pull it through yet though. So just keep it here. And now, instead of pulling through, you're just gonna come up. So you're basically doing it, but without pulling through. And you can just keep doing that until your thread's like all bunched up. And then all you have to do is pull through. And then unbunch it. And you see that the dolphin did, I think, these three and the bottoms. So there you go.